In the world of cosmetics, two brands stand tall: Merle Norman and Mary Kay. Today, we dive into an ultimate showdown to see who really has the edge. Merle Norman, a brand that's been around since the Roaring '20s, has carved a significant niche for itself in the industry. Known for their skin-friendly, luxurious products, they've been a constant companion to those who seek quality and elegance. On the other hand, we have Mary Kay, a brand that has been empowering women since the early '60s. Their products, which range from skincare to color cosmetics, have etched a place in the hearts of millions worldwide. Both brands, with their unique approach and wide range of products, have managed to accumulate a massive fan base. They've transformed the way we perceive beauty and have significantly influenced the cosmetics industry. Now that we know a bit about our competitors, let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to cosmetics, three factors often come to mind: quality, price, and variety. Let's see how Merle Norman and Mary Kay fare. First, let's discuss foundations. Merle Norman's Total Finish Foundation is a favorite for many, praised for its long-lasting coverage and blendability. On the flip side, Mary Kay's Time-Wise Matte 3D Foundation has also garnered rave reviews for its age-fighting benefits and flawless finish. Prices are comparable, with Merle Norman's foundation slightly higher, but the variety of shades in both brands cater to a wide range of skin tones. Moving on to lipsticks. Merle Norman's Age-Defying Plus Lip Color is loved for its hydrating formula and high pigment, while Mary Kay's Gel Semi-Shine Lipstick is adored for its weightless feel and radiant shine. Again, prices are similar, with Mary Kay's lipstick being a tad more affordable. Variety-wise, both brands offer an array of shades, from neutrals to bolds. Lastly, let's talk about eyeshadows. Merle Norman's Soft Touch Eye Pencil is known for its creamy texture and intense color payoff, whereas Mary Kay's Mineral Eye Color is acclaimed for its long-wearing, fade-resistant formula. The price of Mary Kay's eyeshadow is somewhat lower, and they offer a wider variety of shades. Customer reviews and ratings for these products are generally positive, reflecting their high quality. However, the slight price difference and variety of shades favor Mary Kay a bit more. Clearly, both brands offer high-quality products, but who takes the lead in terms of price and variety? Stay tuned. We've compared, contrasted, and analyzed. Now it's time for the final verdict. In the great beauty battle, Merle Norman stands out for its unrivaled quality, while Mary Kay impresses with its affordability and diverse range of products. Both brands have a loyal following, boasting high customer satisfaction and commendable brand reputations. Whether you're a fan of Merle Norman's quality or Mary Kay's affordability and variety, it's clear that both brands have a lot to offer. The ultimate choice, as always, is yours to make.